Hello, everybody. My name is Jayesh Baliram Tavre. By qualification, I'm a lawyer, and I also own a business by the name of One More Rep Gym and Fitness Studio in Bhiwandi. So, as we all know that lockdown and recession has hit every business hard, I was looking for business and marketing strategies on YouTube and reading a lot of articles about advertising. So one fine day, I got a message on our Agri Kori community group on WhatsApp that Mr. Jayant Thudar sir is going to take a 21-day seminar on growing business. Initially, being very skeptical about the move, I thought, let's try it. If it is good, I'll continue. Otherwise, I'll opt out. Now, today being the fifth day, I'm very happy that I have enrolled in this seminar because in the first 2 days, I know what I was doing, what where I was going to take my business. There was an audit form that I filled, and which gave a lot of clarity, a direction, a route to the vision which I already had. It actually gave me a bird's eye view of what things I was doing correctly and what I was not. So now I know what I want, what I can expect through my current strategies, and where it is going to take me, in which direction I'm going. The third and the fourth day was about the 33 mistakes that an entrepreneur does or a businessman does when he owns a business. I was aware only about three or four. The rest I got to know, and it has blown my mind completely. I was committing most of the mistakes unknowingly. Like the things which I got to know in these days were the cost of acquisition of a client, the lifetime value of a client, which is one of the most important things. Apart from that, how to charge the perfect price, how to convert your features to benefits. The fourth and the fifth days also were very interesting and enlightening in a way. So there are nine core elements to successful business, and trust me, most of us are not even aware about three or four. The most important being the differentiating factor of your business, like why people should buy from you apart from your competitors, and apart from that, what is call to action and various other things. So if you think you are doing pretty good in your business, I'm sure most of you must be doing good, but trust me, you are in a delusional state if you haven't attended the seminar, and you are not aware of what your business can and how your business can grow at its full potential. And also, most of us don't know about growing the business in all the eight dimensions. So I highly speak and I highly recommend of Mr. Jayant Hudar sir and his business skills, because even before completing the 21-day workshop, I have a crystal clear vision about where I'm going to take the business, and where I stand currently. Thank you.